So this is volcano 2. But so how we made it is we made it with plaster.
Mm-hmm.
And then we let it dry, and then we painted it. Then we erupted it. So we're going to try erupting it. So what do I do?
We already used all the erupting stuff we had. So I would put some of the powder in. Oh, I forgot to get you another scooper.
That's okay.
You can use a scooper to put some powder in.
Okay.
And what else did we add? This is just baking soda and vinegar, but what do we add to it?
Some red food coloring. We use it for crafts because this is like the one's not made out of like. Woo!
It's already starting! So there must have still been some chemical reactions left from the erupting powder it came with.
So can I add some vinegar?
I can't see what I'm filming in the sun. That one you could pour out the side of the cup too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, your hawk.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Why does it bubble?
Because it's just so volcano-y. Woo! Messy, sticky, smelly,
Bubbly.
bubbly. We want you for some. No, Buzzy, don't. We wanted to pour some vinegar. You want to smell it? Yeah. Or
Do you think you can have a turn?
pour it in? No, because you overestimated the water last time.
It's kind of taking off the paint job, but it looks really cool.
Yeah, actually I made the paint job cool.
All right. Do you think Rosie can have one little turn?
Okay, but just put
Just a tiny dip. Don't drown it. Like.
Wait, ready? Can you pour this in? Pour it in?
Oh, fizzy spoon.
Yeah,
Nice.
can I have it? Should we add some?
So overall, was this a fun project this week?
Took a week. A couple of us.
Wow.
And a visit to the vet. Wow.
I hope you're enjoying watching volcanoes with us.
Okay.
Now, do real volcanoes, do people pour in the chemicals that cause the gases?
No. On a real volcano, so underneath the earth is a bunch of different layers. So in the middle is the super hot layer, and it's as hot as the surface as the sun. So
What?
Super, super hot. And when a volcano is, that travels up through all of them and into a little thing. It looks like this and shoots up.
Oh,
volcano.
It's coming from the inside below the Earth's crust?
Yes.
That makes sense. There's not just a big giant who comes over and pours vinegar in a rock?
No.
In a mountain?
Because you would need like more than a gallon of vinegar to make a
Wow, that's fun looking lava. All right, thanks for playing volcanoes with us today, friends. See you later. Sizzle.
Sizzle.